We've been, close to the Cannabis Europa team for many years. This is, I think, my second or third Cannabis Europa, and have always enjoyed speaking here. Great place to connect with all our network that's largely based in Europe. So whether that's, businesses, other investors, lawyers, bankers, it's a great central meeting point for the entire cannabis industry in Europe. So it's a conference we try to make regularly.
Excellent.
It's not that we haven't been productive in this, 2-year period where we've had to be remote and doing everything on video conferencing, but that second layer of intimacy into a business, into the entrepreneurs you're investing with, into people you want to, work with and build, multi-year relationships with. It's so important to have some element of personal interaction. So yeah, being here, being in this room and with everyone in person has been incredible. We're very bullish. We've made 3 to 4 investments in Europe, over the course of the last couple of years. And so we're very bullish on what's happening here. Obviously it's a tough time for markets in general, but I think, we're long-term investors. Our duration when we think about putting money to work is 10 years plus. And so with that kind of time frame and lens in mind, we think Europe's going to be an incredible opportunity. So we're incredibly bullish.
Industry?
I would say the market in terms of revenue is fairly recession-proof. So if you look at cannabis, in comparison to tobacco, alcohol, some of the common analogs, historically, recessions have either proved for the industry to remain flat or actually trended up. And I think cannabis, just given that it's still a nascent industry and there's still so many tailwinds behind it, absolutely. I'd say recessions make it difficult for companies to raise money and the capital markets become stretched. But as far as their core businesses and, people consuming, et cetera, I still think, recessions don't really impact us the same way they would other industries. Yeah, I'm excited. I haven't been speaking here in London for quite some time. So it's one of my favorite cities in the world, and excited to have a conversation about German cannabis, which is where we're putting a fair amount of resources and capital, and yeah, very excited.